What if I told you that the most violent world in our solar system exists in a place where almost no sunlight reaches, a place so distant that noon feels like midnight and warmth has become nothing more than a memory? Imagine standing at the edge of everything humanity has ever known. The sun, the star that gave birth to oceans, forests, and civilizations, is no longer a ruler of the sky. From this unimaginable distance, it appears as only a bright point of light suspended in an endless sea of darkness. More than 2.7 billion miles from Earth drifts Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun and the final giant world of our solar system. For most of human history, no one even knew it existed. Yet Neptune revealed itself in one of the most extraordinary ways in scientific history. Astronomers noticed that Uranus was not moving exactly as expected. Its orbit seemed disturbed, as though an invisible force was tugging at it from beyond the known frontier. Rather than dismissing the anomaly, mathematicians trusted the laws of gravity and used calculations to predict the location of an unseen planet. In 1846, telescopes turned toward the predicted region of space and found Neptune almost exactly where mathematics had set it would be. Humanity had discovered an entire world before truly seeing it. Neptune moves at a pace that reshapes our understanding of time. It takes 165 Earth years to complete a single orbit around the Sun, meaning that since its discovery, Neptune has completed only one full year. Empires have risen and fallen on Earth while this distant giant has barely finished one journey through the darkness. From afar, Neptune appears calm and beautiful, its deep blue color giving it the appearance of a peaceful ocean world. But beneath that elegant exterior lies a planet that refuses to obey expectations. In a region where sunlight is weak and temperatures are brutally cold, Neptune should be quiet and frozen. Instead, it radiates more heat than it receives from the sun, as if a hidden furnace still burns within its depths. It is a world alive with energy, activity, and mystery. Neptune is not merely surviving at the edge of the solar system. It is thriving there, challenging everything we think we know about how distant worlds should behave and reminding us that the universe is often far stranger than human imagination. There is a place in our solar system where the wind moves faster than the speed of sound. If it were somehow possible to stand within those storms, you would be destroyed before you could even hear their approach. Neptune possesses the fastest winds ever recorded on any planet, reaching speeds of more than 1,200 miles per hour. These are not brief gusts or isolated weather events. They are enormous atmospheric systems that race across the planet with relentless force. The mystery is that Neptune should not possess such violence. Unlike Earth, where storms draw their power from the sun heating the oceans and atmosphere, Neptune receives only a fraction of the sunlight that reaches our planet. Scientists believe that heat escaping from Neptune's interior may provide the energy driving its chaotic weather, though many details remain uncertain. The atmosphere itself is layered with methane clouds that absorb red light and reflect blue wavelengths, giving Neptune its breathtaking sapphire appearance. But beneath that beauty, storms form and disappear like ghosts. In 1989, Voyager 2 became the only spacecraft ever to visit Neptune and captured images of a colossal Earth-sized storm called the Great Dark Spot. It looked like a giant wound carved into the atmosphere, a swirling vortex of unimaginable power. Yet when the Hubble Space Telescope searched for it years later, the storm had vanished. Other dark storms appeared in different regions of the planet before disappearing once again. Unlike Jupiter's Great Red Spot, Neptune's tempests do not remain fixed for centuries. They emerge without warning and fade back into the blue depths, leaving scientists searching for answers. There is no solid ground beneath these storms, no mountains to disrupt them and no continents to weaken their fury. They roam freely through an endless atmosphere, carrying the force of a world in constant motion. Neptune teaches us that appearances can be deceptive. What seems tranquil from afar may conceal unimaginable violence beneath its surface, and beauty itself can become the perfect disguise for day. Imagine looking upward and witnessing a rainstorm unlike anything ever seen on Earth. Instead of water droplets falling from gray clouds, imagine gemstones descending through darkness. Deep inside Neptune, scientists believe that nature performs one of its most astonishing acts of transformation. Neptune is classified as an ice giant, though the term can be misleading. It does not mean the planet is composed of simple frozen ice. Instead, it refers to compounds such as water, ammonia, and methane existing under conditions of extreme pressure and temperature. As we descend deeper beneath Neptune's visible atmosphere, pressure increases dramatically and temperatures climb higher and higher. Laboratory experiments suggest that methane molecules may break apart under these crushing conditions, freeing carbon atoms that are then compressed into diamonds. These diamonds could form within Neptune's mantle and slowly sink deeper into the planet's interior like glittering stones falling through an alien ocean. It sounds like science fiction, yet modern research suggests that such processes may indeed occur within ice giants. The deeper we imagine traveling, the stranger Neptune becomes. Scientists suspect the existence of an electrically conductive ocean composed of exotic mixtures unlike anything found on Earth. This hidden ocean may play a role in generating Neptune's bizarre magnetic field. Unlike Earth's relatively stable magnetic field, Neptune's is tilted at a dramatic angle and offset from the center of the planet, creating an invisible shield that behaves in unpredictable ways. As Neptune rotates, this distorted magnetic field shifts and twists through space, interacting with solar particles in patterns that scientists are still trying to understand. Everything about Neptune appears filled with contradictions. It is freezing on the outside yet hot within. It shines with beauty while concealing violent processes beneath its clouds. It rains diamonds in a realm defined by crushing darkness. Neptune reminds us that the universe is not obligated to align with common sense. Sometimes reality is far more extraordinary than anything we could invent. One day, Neptune will destroy its own moon, not through malice or sudden catastrophe, but through the slow and inevitable power of gravity. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, is one of the strangest objects in the solar system. Unlike most large moons that orbit in the same direction as their planet's rotation, Triton travels in reverse. This unusual motion suggests that Triton did not form alongside Neptune but was likely born elsewhere in the distant Kuiper belt before being captured by Neptune's gravity billions of years ago. Triton is a frozen world where temperatures plunge to nearly absolute zero and nitrogen frost covers the surface. Yet even in this brutal cold, Voyager 2 observed evidence of activity in the form of icy plumes rising above the landscape, hinting at cryovolcanoes that erupt not with molten rock but with volatile substances such as nitrogen. However, Triton's unusual orbit seals its fate. Over immense periods of time, gravitational interactions are drawing the Moon ever closer to Neptune. Eventually, Triton will cross a critical boundary known as the Roche limit, where the giant planet's tidal forces will become too powerful for the Moon to withstand. Triton will fracture and break apart, transforming from a world into countless fragments that may eventually form a spectacular ring system around Neptune. Destruction will give birth to beauty as a crown of debris encircles them. Distant giant. Beyond Neptune lies the frontier of our solar system and, farther still, the vast expanse of interstellar space. Neptune stands as the final great planetary guardian before the endless darkness beyond. It is a world of hidden fires, supersonic storms, diamond rain, and doomed moons. It reminds us that the cosmos was never designed for human comfort or understanding. The universe is older, stranger, and more mysterious than we can fully comprehend. At the edge of sunlight, Neptune continues its silent journey through the abyss, inviting us to look beyond the limits of familiarity and wonder what unimaginable realities still await discovery in the darkness beyond the last light.